How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. Really quick look at SHPING to see where we've moved to following my last, and I think it's fair to say we followed the downward path. Yeah, we're looking strong. The RSI is good. The MACD, there's low level volume coming through, but we are moving upwards. We've touched on 1367 quite a few times. We've hung around, now we're moving off. So hopefully that has been confirmed as the new current low. We don't want to, we've had a slight rejection from the cloud, but what we don't want to see is another bounce back and more hanging around here, because it's likely that we will then move back as per my last video. So it's not looking too terrible. This was the more sort of bearish direction that could have happened. I think we were about here when I made my last video, and I did think that we'd come into the cloud, bounce around, and then we'd either move higher from it or we'd fall under it before coming higher. We fell out of it pretty quick, had a rejection, tailed off, back tested for some support, found it, and it looks like we're going again. So it does look like within the next couple of hours this thing is going to coil up towards this next stop of resistance, and then expect some bouncing around or just an almighty pump. But if we're not accepted here, then we are going to move lower, and as I said in the previous video, once we lose the support of 13.7, we've got a couple of short stops at 13.3, 13.2, and then we'd be down to the 786 at 11.8. So 11.8 is not where we want to be, but that is probably where we'd have our next bounce point from if we don't make a go line from here. So what I would expect to see, and I'm just going to drag this over, is literally something like that. That's what I expect to play out. If it doesn't, then yeah, it's going to look like that. So it's the same move, just sending it over here. Keep an eye on the volume. That's the big one. Keep an eye on the volume, because although we haven't got much volume moving at the moment, it's holding an impartial split. We haven't got a significant sell-off happening. We haven't got a significant investment. So it wouldn't take much to make this one fly, because there's not much moving in it at the moment. So that's all from me. Best of luck. If this one has a significant move, I might make another video in a few hours. If not, see you tomorrow.